Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first stop, check the message status and profile photo, okay, of the person. So just basically send, a message and watch for the check marks, like this one. If it stays on one gray tick or sent but not delivered, okay, delivered will be 2 checks. All right, again, if it stays on one gray tick and you can't see their profile picture or status update, well, it's a strong sign. You can go ahead and attempt a call. Try making a WhatsApp voice or a video call. Then if it rings endlessly on your end but never connects or goes to voicemail, it's another indicator of being blocked. Now, another way to try out is that you can go ahead and create a group chat. Okay, new group right here. Just try adding the contact to a new group. Okay, if you see an error message saying you could not add the contact name or the person, or even they doesn't appear here in the group members list after you try to add them, well, you've likely been blocked. All right, there you have it. Those are 3 ways to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.